Alright guys, now we're ready. So if you wonder if they sting, they don't sting that bad. They kind of bounce off you more than sting. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this blaster toy. Alright, so let's get unboxing. It's recommended for ages 14 and older. And we're back. So guys, this is the blaster gun. So you shoot these small, almost like BBs, bullets. Now you get a lot. They give you 3 packs of green, and then you have, looks like blue inside this pack. So what you guys do is you put these BBs in water, you let them soak in water for a couple hours, and then you're ready to go. They'll turn about that size, get a little bigger, and that allows you to fully function shoot. So let's go ahead and put on the little silencer that they give you. Slide that on like that. Trigger right here, the hopper where the bullets would go down in would be right on here. On the back here, you open this up. They give you 2 batteries, so that is a big plus. You just pull out the wire inside there, and when you're connecting this, make sure you connect positive to positive. So basically, you just line up the wires and you slide it in. So red lines up with red, black lines up with black. And then you just feed everything down inside this tank unit and close it. So it's a really cool design. I always love these gel blasters. They are a lot of fun. So for charging, same thing. When you're charging it, just line up the white. That's going to be the white plug, and it's pretty simple to see. On the plug here, you got 2 little lines that stick out. They just plug in like this, and you plug this into any USB port, and that charges the battery. Very easy. Alright guys, so the on-off switch is under the stock here. So you switch that on. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you can also put some BBs in here and then fill it with water. Just remember that when the BBs get to a good size, that you want to pour any excess water out. So you want to pour the water out and keep the BBs inside here. Once you have them inside here, you turn the gun upside down, and this just threads right on, and turn it right side up, shake it a little bit, and you are good to go. Let's get shooting. So if it kind of jams up or some stop shooting, all you do is you just shake it a little bit as you're shooting. So far, this one's pretty good. It actually can shoot pretty far. Not sure if you guys can see that. I mean, we can almost hit our garage out there. Yeah, it gets pretty close to the garage way out there. So yeah, shoots good. You can actually bounce it off the water too. That's pretty cool. And the great thing is You could shoot them anywhere, and once they kind of dehydrate, they shrink down to the original size, and they eventually decompose if they're outside. So guys, gets a pass from me. This works good.